Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic invitation writing for inauguration of a showroom. Okay, I have already told you about what is the structure of formal printed invitation. The structure of formal printed invitation is, first of all, you should mention name of the host. After that, you should mention occasion. After occasion, you should mention detail. After detail, you should mention contact details. Okay. First of all, this is the structure of formal printed invitation. I have just told you that first of all you should mention name of the host. After that you should mention occasion. After occasion you should mention details. After details you should mention contact details. Okay. After that you should make a box. This is the structure of formal printed invitation. Okay. To understand this structure in a better way, there is an example which is related to formal printed invitation for an inauguration of a showroom. Okay. There is a question. Look at the board. If you really want to understand this structure in a better way, there is a question. Look at the board. Draft a formal printed invitation. Invitation for inauguration of a new showroom in not more than 50 words. Okay, first of all you should read the question in a proper way. Draft a formal printed invitation for inauguration of a new showroom in not more than 50 words. First of all, according to the structure of formal printed invitation, we should start printed invitation from name of the host. If name of host is not given in the question, then you should write name of host according to your own way. M/S AK Chopra and Sons. After that, in an inaugural invitation you should start this way. Announce the opening of their new showroom. After that you should mention name of the showroom. If name of showroom is not given, then you should mention name of showroom according to your own way, like Chopra Sons. If address is not given in the question, then you should mention address according to your own way. 27 Model Town, Rewari. Okay. After that, you should mention inauguration. Inauguration on Sunday, 2nd August 2020 at 11 a.m. onwards. Okay. After that, all are cordially invited. After that, I will inaugural discount of 10% on all garments. Okay. After that, you should mention RSVP from the left side of the page. RSVP. If name of writer is not given, then you can write the name of the writer in this way, A.K. Chopra. If phone number is not given, then you should mention phone number according to your own way, 9234567800. After that, you should make a box. This is an example of formal printed invitation for an inauguration of a showroom. Okay. In any formal printed invitation, we should follow the structure. First of all, we should mention name of the host. If name of host is not given in the question, then you should write name of the host according to your own way. After that, you should mention occasion. After occasion, you should mention detail. After details, you should mention contact details. Okay, that is the format of formal printed invitation, and always we should try to follow the structure of formal printed invitation when we will make any formal printed invitation. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.